Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. If you recently purchased the ex-police Ford Taurus or Ford Interceptor Sedan, most likely the rear door handles will not work, and in today's video I will show you what you have to do to fix those. Most of other ex-police models usually have like missing parts behind the panel, but luckily Ford Tauruses almost always have everything you need. The door handle is just disconnected, so it doesn't do anything, and this switch is usually disconnected as well. So now I will show you how to remove the door panel and how to reattach everything and reconnect. Before starting with the door panel removal, always first check the child lock, if maybe that's engaged and that's why your door handles don't work. Maybe you get lucky and you won't have to remove the door panel. The child lock is located just behind this plastic cap, so you can remove it by a flat screwdriver or something like this. So just pry it underneath and it's gonna just pop out. So right now the child lock on this Taurus is engaged, so what I will do, I will just turn to this side and then before taking off the panel try to open the door. Mine still doesn't work, but like I said, maybe you get lucky and you won't have to do all the work. Okay, to remove the door panel, first start with this screw right here. It's a Phillips. Okay, so this is the one, how it looks once you take it out. Now next thing what you will have to do, and again you can use a flat screwdriver, but I found it easier with this thing, so just pry underneath this switch and you'll be able to pull the switch out. To disconnect this switch, just push on this clip here and then pull the switch off. I'll have to do it with both of my hands. Okay, that's it. And why we did that? Because there is a screw right here. It's a 10 millimeters, so remove that black screw. Okay, so what you will have to do next, you'll have to remove this black plastic cover behind the door handle. Now I find it the easiest to do it with your fingers actually, so have the door handle in open position and then just pull that cover off with your finger. And here it is, and behind that cover there is one more 10 millimeter screw, so remove that one as well. Okay, once this screw is out, now you will have to remove this trim plastic here, because there are still two screws underneath. One is here and another one is somewhere around here. To remove this trim, just use your flat screwdriver and pop it out. Then you can just proceed with your hand and slowly pull it out. You see it has this there's my camera. Okay, it has this small clips here on the back side, so be careful not to break this. Okay, once you have removed that, there is one Phillips screw right here, so you can unscrew that. Okay, this is that Phillips screw, and now we have one more left, which is right here inside, and it's a 5/16 actually, but you can probably get away with 8 millimeter as well, so I'll use the extension to just unscrew that one. Okay, after that one there is a 7 millimeter screw right down here at the bottom of the door panel. So yeah, you see it, remove that one as well. Once that one is removed, you can just use your flat screwdriver to gently pry and deattach that door panel. That's very easy to do. If it doesn't pop out like mine, just do it like here and here and here, and it's gonna be completely loose like mine. Okay, you can lift up the panel now. To to get access to the area behind. Okay, now mine is actually interesting. So this here is your door handle cable, and usually on police vehicles they are like taped to this metal here, or just bundled inside this hole or something like that. But mine is already in the place, it's just not connected to the door handle. It's like glued here. So I will just remove this. Okay, so what I'm supposed to do to make this door handle work, I'm supposed to put this pin inside this hole, so when you pull on the door handle, it pulls on that cable, right? And that will open the door. So what will happen at your car, most likely this cable will not be here inside. It's gonna be taped around this metal piece or tucked into this hole. But this is what you're looking for. You have to find this cable inside your door panel, and then first, before you put it into this hole, first you have to attach this metal piece right here, and then put the left side in. But I will now deattach mine and show you what you have to do. If yours come like this as well, you will just have to use this kind of pliers. You'll see it has like 2 pins here, which you have to push, and then you can pull out the cable with your other hand. I can't record it because I have to use both of my hands to do this. Okay, now to install it properly, what you have to do, you have to put this pin inside this hole first, and then you will have to put this cable into this hole and push it in until it clicks. See? Now it's connected. If I pull the door handle on the inside, you see it's pulling the cable, and this is how it's supposed to look. Okay, so before you install the panel back on, make sure to test your window switch if it works. Okay, so if your window switch is not working, there is a trick to it. I actually have a video on YouTube showing what to do, but I will show it in this video as well, since we are doing this now. Okay, so go up front and first make sure this button is not illuminated. If it is, you won't be able to use the rear windows, but if it's not, your problem is most likely here. They disconnect the cable under this. Okay, I'm clumsy today. So you'll want to pop out this plastic here. Oh yeah, so pop out this plastic, and here somewhere will be a switch actually. Okay, it's right here. Try to pull it out. Okay, you'll see it's disconnected. There is some kind of a rubber thing on top of it. Okay, there's the other part in there as well. Okay, I will show it to you. See, you just have to connect that switch back, and your both rear window switches will work. They disconnect here this part on purpose. Okay, so I was able to pull out the other one as well. Okay, all you have to do, just plug this in. Okay, and now we'll go to the rear to see if this hopped or not. You can see that my window rolls down now. And like most often that switch there will be disconnected, so that's what you have to do. Okay, once everything is connected and in its place, you will want to install the panel back on. Now don't forget to pull the window switch cable through this hole before you put the panel on. If you don't do it, you won't be able to connect your switch. Okay, thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, like it and subscribe to my channel. I try to post new videos daily. On my channel you can find lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, lots of car reviews, ex-police cars and similar automotive topics.